You can see shame on a human face in seconds. A blush spreads across the cheeks, the neck, sometimes down to the chest. Heat rises. The face flushes red. No other animal does this. A dog doesn't blush when it's caught stealing food. A chimp doesn't flush red when humiliated in front of its group. Only humans have this involuntary signal written across their skin. Biologist Dacher Keltner studied blushing for decades. He found we blush when others judge us. Not from pain, not from embarrassment alone. From social judgment, real or imagined. The blush is involuntary. You can't control it. That's the point. A blush is a confession written in blood. It says I broke a social rule and I'm sorry. In a world where trust between strangers was survival, a visible, uncontrollable sign of shame became incredibly valuable. You can lie with words, but you can't lie with your face turning red. Across cultures, this signal is universal. People in Japan, in Brazil, in the Arctic, they all recognize a blush as a sign of genuine remorse. The blush developed because it solved a problem. How do you convince someone you're trustworthy when they have no reason to believe you? In small hunter-gatherer groups, reputation mattered absolutely. One betrayal could get you cast out. One lie could end you. If you showed your body's involuntary shame response, you proved you understood the rules and regretted breaking them. Keltner's research shows people who blush are rated as more trustworthy. There's a paradox in blushing. Your body betrays you in shame, and that betrayal becomes redemption. The very thing making you feel exposed, your blush makes others believe you. Next time your face burns with embarrassment, you're not experiencing a flaw. You're experiencing evolution, proving you're trustworthy.